Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System and Updates. Following that, click on Language and Input, Gbird, and Text Correction. Lastly, scroll all the way down and hit this switcher next to autocorrection. This way, you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!